Number 1.
1992 Ford Ranger, price $9,200. It has approximately 123,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission, a blue exterior, and a gray interior. It has been well maintained and has undergone extensive professional body and mechanical work to keep it in excellent condition. Recent upgrades include new shocks, AC components, a fuel pump, fuel sending unit, timing belt, spark plugs, ignition coils, and many other parts, with receipts available for the completed work. The truck has a clean title and a replacement instrument cluster with fully functioning gauges. The original cluster showed around 60,000 miles before being replaced.
Number 2.
1974 Ford F-350, price $10,000, powered by a gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has been driven approximately 3,000 miles since receiving a rebuilt engine. Finished in an eye-catching red exterior with a matching red interior, it presents a distinctive and timeless appearance that reflects the character of classic Ford trucks from the era. The vehicle is reported to run great and has benefited from significant recent maintenance, making it a solid option for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a dependable vintage pickup. Over the past several years, substantial investments have been made to improve the truck's reliability and performance. The vehicle has been fitted with new tires, new brakes, a new carburetor, and a new radiator. Approximately $5,000 was recently spent on repairs and preventative maintenance, including a fuel tank flush, complete tune-up, and other mechanical servicing.
Number 3.
1972 Ford F-100, price $8,000, finished in brown with a matching brown interior, powered by a 360 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and equipped with power steering and a desirable 1967-style grille. The truck has been well cared for, with approximately 2,000 miles driven since receiving extensive maintenance and upgrades, including a full tune-up, fresh fluids, new front brakes, a new clutch, new tires, new front springs, and new front shocks. After the work was completed, the truck successfully completed a road trip around Michigan's Upper Peninsula without any issues. It runs and drives well, with only the exhaust system and rear brakes remaining to be addressed.
Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet S10, price $6,900, that has been driven only 66,000 miles and remains in great overall condition.
Equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a gasoline engine, the truck offers a traditional driving experience that appeals to enthusiasts and collectors alike.
Its blue exterior is complemented by a matching blue interior, giving the vehicle a distinctive and period-correct appearance. The truck starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives well. The current owner replaced the original carburetor with a new Weber unit after the factory carburetor began running rough, resulting in improved performance and drivability. Importantly, all original carburetor components have been carefully retained and will accompany the sale, providing added value for buyers who appreciate originality. The only known issues are a primer spot on the passenger side bed and a cracked dashboard, both of which are cosmetic in nature and do not affect the truck's operation.
Number 5. 1989 Mazda B2200, price $7,800.
With only 92,000 miles on the odometer, it features a reliable 2.2L carbureted gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering the authentic driving experience that classic truck lovers appreciate. Finished in a gray exterior color and complemented by a beautiful red and brown interior, this truck remains in remarkably clean condition inside and out. The vehicle comes with a clean title and has clearly been cared for throughout its life. The cabin has aged gracefully, retaining its original charm while remaining comfortable and inviting.
The body is solid, the interior is exceptionally well kept, and the truck drives exactly as it should. Mazda's compact pickups have earned a loyal following for their straightforward design, dependable performance, and ease of maintenance.
Number 6. 1997 Ford F-250, price $10,000, with approximately 154,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a powerful gasoline big block engine, a white exterior, and a gray interior. It remains largely original and well preserved. The truck runs and drives well, featuring a clean interior, straight body, solid frame, sterling rear axle, factory roof marker lights, bed liner, and step bars. Recent maintenance includes brand new tires, a new radiator, a new thermostat, and new brake lines. Known issues are a non-working AC system, a crack in the dashboard, and minor surface rust in a few areas. Aside from normal wear expected for its age, the truck remains in very good condition with no major modifications, no lift kit, no altered wiring, and a clean title in hand.
Number 7. 1976 Ford F-150, price $5,000, powered by the legendary 300 cubic inch inline-six engine paired with a 3-speed manual 3-on-the-tree transmission.
Showing approximately 595,000 miles, the truck runs great and remains a dependable classic cruiser. Finished in blue inside and out, this gasoline-powered pickup has benefited from extensive maintenance, including a new head gasket, exhaust manifold gaskets, spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, rotor, and carburetor. Additional upgrades include aftermarket headlights, a vintage-style 2-knob Bluetooth stereo, an aftermarket steering wheel, with the original included, a new dash pad, updated weather stripping, repaired floor pans, and a roll-in bed liner. The truck rides on 22-inch Boss wheels with new rear tires and front tires showing around 60% tread remaining. It has also been fitted with a glassback exhaust, rear hangers, and shackles to level the stance, while the paint has been comet washed and clear-coated to help preserve its patina.
Shorter front springs are included for anyone interested in lowering the truck further.
As expected for a vehicle of this age, rust is present in some common areas, and the rear brakes may need attention soon.
Number 8.
1971 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, powered by a small block 350 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and has only 36,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a tan exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered classic truck has served as a dependable daily driver. It has been upgraded with new BF Goodrich KO 335X 12.5 or 15 tires, polished Pro Comp wheels with an extra matching spare, a new battery, starter, alternator, battery cables, and newer rough country leaf springs and shocks. The engine starts easily and runs well, while the truck handles confidently on the highway. It may require minor carburetor tuning, as it occasionally seems to experience fuel starvation when climbing hills or driving in high gear. All lights, turn signals, windows, and locks are fully functional, and the heater works well enough to help defrost the windshield. Additional features include ammo cans mounted in the bed, a high-lift jack, and the original tailgate.
Number 9.
1969 GMC 2500, price $3,000. It has been driven 86,133 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a charcoal exterior with a matching charcoal interior, the truck was originally built as a factory big block, air-conditioned model. It is now powered by a 350 small block V8 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and HEI ignition. Most of the original air conditioning components are still present, although they are currently not connected. Recent updates include a new battery, a new starter, newer Chevrolet wheels and tires, and a dual exhaust system. The truck runs well and starts, drives, and stops as it should. The brakes feel somewhat soft and may simply need to be bled. All of the glass is in good condition, and the vehicle comes with a clean Washington title. Overall, this GMC 2500 represents a solid classic pickup with desirable upgrades, dependable performance, and plenty of potential for its next owner.
Number 10.
1977 Chevrolet C20, price $4,250, powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing approximately 16,000 miles, it features a brown exterior and remains in running condition. The truck has recently passed a fresh smog inspection and comes with a current clean title in hand, making it ready for its next owner. While it shows some normal wear consistent with its age, the vehicle still carries the timeless, understated style that makes classic American trucks so desirable. Its vintage character continues to attract attention wherever it goes. The truck does need rear brake shoes and a few minor odds and ends, but it remains a solid and appealing classic with plenty of charm and potential.